Alright folks, we're back at it. Fresh off the last Autocross event with some juicy POV footage to dig into. I ran a few different sessions and decided to critique my own driving. Some of it felt clean, some of it not so much. So I want to hear from you. What would you have done differently? Line choices? Braking zones? Yell at me in the comments and let's talk driving. But please, roast me gently.
Let her rip. Yep.
Okay, let's start with this run. I had a decent launch, but watch right here. Look at me, already behind on this cone. I feel like I'm a little too early on the throttle here. More throttle greediness. I'm too late on the brakes here and totally blew the turnaround. Here's another spot where my throttle management got the better of me. I feel my steering input was smooth and car placement was okay through this slalom, but I failed to set myself up for the next set of cones. Oof, I feel like I overcooked this one. Not looking far enough ahead. Okay, I could be way more smooth through this section, especially with the throttle. Bad run, but I have a ton to work on. Listen to that wheel spin in a second here. I need to modulate better. I feel I'm carrying more speed through this section. Much better turnaround. I probably didn't need to drop the anchor right here. Yikes, I think I took the slower side of this optional slalom. And again, overcooked this turnaround. Okay, here's my times. I definitely have a lot to work on. Okay, so do me a favor. What can I do better? How can I get faster? Now I'm talking about driver mod stuff here, not new tires or better suspension components. Okay, that's what I've got for today. Help me out. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you on the course or in the garage.